It's a great day to be a junior Potter.
Wahoo! Welcome to class, kids. It's Thursday, March 26th. And like Yoshi said, it's a great day to be a junior Potter. Mr. Parrot cannot be here today, so it is I, Amario, here to guide you in your lesson today. What we've got going on, some general announcements up top. Make sure every day before 11 a.m. you fill out the attendance form. Also, if you haven't given Mr. Parrot your March Mammal Madness, make sure you do so, otherwise you're going to forfeit the glorious prizes that you could end up winning. Wahoo! 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 What we've got on deck for Thursday, March 26th, is on the side here. Make sure you're watching today's video. Wahoo! And you are going to be completing the selective breeding stations number 3 and number 4. And if you look on our thing today, you will see what we've got in store for that in the side here. So here's your announcements for today. In regards to the assignment, you're going to complete station 3 and 4. It is very similar to what you did in Wednesday's activity, except you are going to be doing the 3rd and 4th stations. When you open up the document, here's what you're going to see when you open up the document. You're going to have in there day number 2, station number 3, dealing with the birth weight and weaning weight of cows. Because cows are something that we have selectively bred a bunch of. So there's a bunch of different traits that we can select. And it goes on to show that all you need is a trait, and there's that trait that you want, and you can turn it into profit in case of your farmer. Me, myself, I would do different mushrooms maybe, or different flowers to give me fire powers, or maybe the raccoon tail, the tanuki suit. I would have lots of different powers. How do you think we got all the things in Mario Kart to pop out of the boxes? Selective breeding. It's all those things. Wahoo! It's me, Amario. So what you have, very much like yesterday, you do not have to do these incomplete sentences. Just make sure it's a complete thought. The PDF is still there in the same location as it was yesterday, both on the direct website and also on the link is on the actual post itself. So make sure that you're filling things out completely. There's only 4 questions for each one of the stations today, because of the fact that it is going to have you analyzing a little bit more. The last one brings in a little bit of the genetic factors that we were looking at before, and you're going to actually have to look at a Punnett square. And I'll actually show you that right here by bringing up the document. You're going to scroll past stations 1 and 2, because you should have already completed that. If not, make sure you complete that. That should have been completed by 9 a.m. But station 3, you've got your 3 objectives. You got some background information, both about what weaning and birth weight mean as far as cows, and what means good and what means bad. You'll have your pictures to select the cows as well, of which one would be the best. And then station 4, oh looky here. We've got the different cows, and there's a Punnett square, and there's going to be some questions dealing with the Punnett square where you're going to have to answer whether or not what kind of parent you would want for those question marks. And we've got those genotypes once again down below here. So that is it as far as today goes. If you need to ask any questions whatsoever, do not hesitate to ask. It is a similar format as yesterday, and according to things already at 8 o'clock p.m. on Wednesday here that I'm recording this video, it seems like most of you had no issues with today's assignments, as I have received very little in the ways of emails as far as help goes. So hopefully today's will go a little bit smoother for you as well. But just remember that every day, it is a great day to be a junior Potter. Wahoo!